GBG offers you an amazing, one-of-a-kind income opportunity unlike anything you've ever seen before. Not only can you earn big money fast, you can also create true walk-away residual income easier than ever. You see, there are no hidden challenges here. We've got the easiest qualifications in the industry with no overpriced products or pay plan loopholes. We've gotten rid of all the gimmicks and gotchas found elsewhere, so anyone can succeed here at GBG. To help you create the income you're looking for, GBG gives you a truly amazing free website with detailed explanations and videos on our life-changing products, our company vision, and our one-of-a-kind copyrighted pay plan. When you get started with one of our Platinum packages, you'll be a GBG Platinum Business Builder with the easiest qualifications to earn huge income. In fact, you can reach the top position in our company by just enrolling and working with 3 other Platinums. Just 3. Where have you ever heard of an easier way to achieve phenomenal success? Nowhere. Only at GBG. By enrolling 3 Platinums, you become a Presidential Platinum. This is the sweet spot of the GBG pay plan. This is the position everyone wants to get to as fast as possible, and lots of people actually get there their first day. After all, you just have to find 3 people that either want to lose weight, get healthy, or earn money. And always remember, you never have to purchase more than 1 product monthly for all the pay that GBG offers. Okay, let's talk about how you get paid. As a Platinum, you'll earn maximum fast start pay when other people get started just like you did. You earn 20% on all your personal customers' first orders. 20%! Then, as all these people continue to receive their monthly product orders, you get paid a recurring monthly enroller bonus. This is residual income that you earn month after month, year after year, and it can range from 10% all the way up to 25%. As a Presidential Platinum, you're also qualified to earn matrix pay from 30 levels of products and packages bought and sold by other people on your GBG team. They do the work, and you get paid. How great is that? Especially since they can earn the same 30 levels of matrix pay from their own teams. Plus, you earn GBG pay points from your 3rd person on. Pay points are so unique, we were actually able to get them copyrighted. They're designed to help you multiply your income every time you enroll another person into GBG. The reason why this is so exciting is that you can get paid multiple times from the same sales. Each new pay point can also earn you an additional 30 levels of pay, which can add up to more money than most people can even dream about. And the best part is, pay points are free. Pay points are one of the main reasons why people keep sharing GBG with others, even after becoming a Presidential Platinum. And all this is only the tip of the iceberg of the GBG business opportunity. As a qualified Presidential Platinum, you share in the GBG Worldwide Profit Sharing Bonus Pool. How would you like everyone on GBG's worldwide team to be working for you? When you're a qualified Presidential Platinum, they are. And if that isn't enough, GBG's leadership bonuses are designed to truly reward you for helping others succeed. As your team grows, you can earn from $250 a month all the way up to $25,000 a month extra, on top of all the regular commission pay I just described. So here's how you succeed at GBG. First, purchase the Platinum package. Second, be on monthly auto ship of any 1 product. And third, find 3 people to do the same thing. That's it. You're a Presidential Platinum. And as GBG grows, so does your income. One final thought. In these tough economic times, GBG is experiencing explosive growth because people need a dependable source of income now more than ever before. If you don't take control of your finances, who will? Order your Platinum package now and start building your future today. Thanks for listening, and God bless.